to my channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you are new, my name is Sammy Jayne and this is my channel IdleGirl, and I would love for you to join this little family that we have going on here. So please hit the subscribe button and the bell button and you will be notified of every time I upload a video. Today's video is an exciting one for me. It is on the new Kirsty Meakin nail brushes that we have right here. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you will know that I used to just do like beauty and makeup things. And we still have 2 beauty / makeup videos every week on a Monday and a Friday. But we also have now 3 nail videos. Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday are our nail videos. And then Sunday is the weekly vlog. So yeah, if you're wanting another channel that's going to have a lot of content for y'all to be watching, then hit that subscribe button because it's all going down. And yeah, you will know that I say recently, it was around about last October / November time, got into nails and became a little bit obsessed. And Kirsty Meakin from the channel Nails is one of my favourites, one of the ones I started from the beginning watching, and I've learned so much from her. So of course when I heard she was bringing out these little beauties right here, I was very excited and I did decide to purchase them. So you can get these from Kirsty herself. I don't know whether I need to leave. Okay, so I'm just gonna say to you guys, find Kirsty on Facebook, and she has like a page, and you can get them from there. I don't want to give out any information, because you just pay by PayPal, but I don't know if that's kind of weird for me to put that in this video specifically, but I'll try and leave a link to the Facebook page or to her Facebook page so you guys can do it through there. And basically all you do is you pay her through PayPal and let her know your address and which brushes you're wanting. You can buy one or the other or both, and you do get a bit of a discount if you buy both of them. Obviously I got them both because, you know, it's me and that's how I roll. So I'm not going to chat on for too long. Let me come a little bit closer so I can show you these brushes a little bit closer up. This is a size 12 right here. It is a size 12 acrylic brush. I'm going to show you me using this. I'm going to show you all the brushes in action. So that is a size 12, and then on the other side of this, I believe that this is a 4. I think it's a 4. I could be wrong and it could be a 6, but I can't 100% remember. But you're going to be able to see me using it, so you're going to be able to see like the size in use. Then this is the Cassidy one. That was the Alicia brush. These are named after her daughters, which is so cute. And we have a very, like, when I say very, I mean insanely fine detailing brush there. And also one that I'm quite excited about, a 1-stroke brush here. It is a flat angled 1-stroke brush, and that is what that looks like. So I'm going to get straight into this video and show you me using all of these brushes. Please just be mindful of the fact that I'm not even qualified yet as a nail tech. I'm still training, I'm still learning. This is the first time I've ever done 3D work or 1-stroke work. So please be gentle with me. I just wanted to show you these brushes in action. I wanted to be able to do a proper full-on video for you guys. So that is what this is, and also there are going to be a lot more videos using these brushes in the future, so just keep watching and you will be able to see the brushes in a little bit more detail as the weeks go on. So let's just show you these brushes right now, you guys. So this is the first brush here. It is the Alicia one, and I'm gonna just give you a few clips of me using the brush, like basically just the acrylic brush, doing a set of acrylic nails, but just really a few little clips, you know. I'm not gonna obviously show you the whole thing. You can see this video if you want. This is the Pride nails that I did. That will be up next week, I believe. So yeah, I'm just basically kind of showing you how I'm using the brush and just give you an idea of like the size of it and like the shape and whatnot. I feel like with this brush you can, I mean it is a crimped brush, but you can make it flat or you can get a nice point with it. I will show you right now some marbling that I did. Marbling is my thing. I love marbling. It's literally like my favourite thing to do. But yeah, I really enjoyed using this brush for marbling. So it's a very good brush. I will just let you watch as I do a little bit of marbling, and then I will show you me using this brush to cap with y'all. So as you can see, it's really easy to pick beads up. It's really easy to get a nice point and do some nice marbling. So yeah, so far guys, I am loving this brush. I think it's a really good size 12 as well, so yes. So as it comes to the capping, you guys who watch me will know that it's something I struggle with. I'm not the best at capping. I'm not the best at building structure basically. But really did not struggle with this brush at all. It's definitely becoming one of my favourite brushes. It's going to be used a lot more in my upcoming videos, like 1,000,000%. So yeah, I will just let you guys watch me cap a couple of nails, but it's just very quick. I've kept everything in regular time, so nothing is sped up, because I want you to be able to see, like, you know, in really good detail. I always speed my videos up, as you guys know, but yeah, this is just completely in regular time. And I just capped that little finger there, like, really quickly. Like, and I don't know how I did that, but, you know, it happened. So, yeah, I really like this brush. It's really easy to pick up beads with. And it's just really easy all round to just work with when doing acrylic design and applying acrylic. So, yes. It's nice and easy to flatten this brush out so you can get really nicely into the cuticle, and yeah, I just really enjoyed this brush. High five, Kirsty Meakin! Woo! So I'm now going to show you me using the other side of the acrylic brush, which is the 3D side. I've left this obviously still in real time, and I'm just basically showing you how easy it was. Like, bearing in mind this is the first time I've ever done 3D work, you guys. So found it really easy to pick the beads up, really easy to get the size bead that I wanted, and then as you can see here, I'm able to just really easily just like mold it and just get it where I want it and how I want it, if that makes sense. There is a separate video on this nail art section as well that will also be up probably next week. It will be up after this video anyway. This video will be up first. But yeah, you can see this completely all in action if you want. And that is just basically Kirsty Meakin 3D brushes, like run through. But yeah, so I just wanted you guys to be able to see in this video just the brush in use, bearing in mind, total beginner. So if you are already good at this, you're going to love this brush. So yes, really enjoyed doing this. I think I'm going to be doing a lot more 3D work now I have this brush. And yes, I will just let you guys watch me sort of sculpt how I need with this brush. I also wanted to just show you me picking up smaller beads and just how easy it was for me to do it. Like, I just found it quite easy to use, and yeah, really, really pleased with it. Love this brush. And then here you can see I'm able to pick up a tiny little bead and just make a really nice little tiny point in the center of it. And yep, awesome freaking brush. So moving on to the other brush now, the Cassidy brush, and this is the one stroke side that I'm using here. I'm literally just using a white and a black acrylic paint to do this. Never done one stroke before, and I really loved this brush. I love the way that one stroke looks, and I wish I could just do it all the time, but I mean, this turned out alright if I'm honest, but I need a lot of practice. So this brush is going to be coming in very handy, and it's going to be used a lot in videos. So I've just kept a few little clips in here so you can just see yourselves sort of the size of the brush a little bit, and then just how it's worked for me, bearing in mind, you know, I didn't really even know what I was doing, and basically just how it is in use. Just, yeah, so I will just let you guys watch the little one stroke magic. Moving on to the other side of this brush, and it's the very, very fine detailing brush, and I did just take a white and I'm able to just really add some really fine little detailing to this, and I definitely think it made the rose look a lot more realistic, a lot more finished. And this is such a thin brush, and you really can get in those fine details and those fine lines that you want in your design. I also did some striping with this, and I'm absolutely dreadful at doing freehand lines and stripes, but just so you get an idea of how the brush works, and it was able, once I figured out how to do it, it was able to pick up nice amounts of paint and get really nice lines. And that is that for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you are going to love these brushes as much as I do. Kirsty, thank you so much for making these brushes and letting me buy them. And yeah, I'm sure they're probably sold out. I don't even know, you guys. I'm guessing that. I'm hoping that they're not for you guys, so you can go buy them. But yeah, I don't know how many she got made of these, but I don't think they'll last very long. Hopefully she'll keep making them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I love you so much. Leave me your comments down below because I love chatting with you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed and have the notification bell turned on. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Love you. Bye!